Hello children, welcome back to Learn at Home घर पे सीखो powered by bookmytutor.in. So, in the previous video, we have seen the concept of fractions. Okay. Now, in this video, we will see the questions which is coming in Olympiad exams. Okay. And which is concept based on fractions. Okay. So, we are solving some questions. Just start and see here. Okay. So question number 1 is the fraction of the shaded region. The fraction of the shaded region in the given figure is. So this is the figure given for question number 1. You see children, there is one circle. Okay. And out of, there are 4 parts actually in the circuit which is divided by the black color line. And the 3 part is shaded. So how many total part children? 4. So total part will come in the denominator. Okay. As I have told you, total part will come in the denominator. And how many part you have to take? So shaded part. And in shaded part, there is 1, 2 and 3. So that will come in the numerator. So the answer is 3 by 4. Now see the option here. 1 by 4, B is 3 by 4, C is 2 by 4 and D is 4 by 4. So which is the correct answer children? Option number B. Yes. So this is the correct answer children. Okay. Now we see the next question here. Question number 2 is, this question has come in 2009. Okay. So which of the following figure has shaded region 2 by 3? Okay. Which of the following figure has shaded region 2 by 3? It means there are total 3 parts. First thing, there are total 3 parts. So just see here. Here they have divided here and only they have shaded 1 parts. This is no and this is also no. So C and D is not possible. Here is 2 part is shaded. Here is only 1 part is shaded. Here is also 1 part is shaded. Okay. But here 2 part is shaded, but total are 4 part. So this is also not possible. So you see the option number A children. Option number A is having 3 parts. Total are 3 parts. Here you see. Here we have only total are 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. So that will come into denominator. Now how many parts we have to take? 2 parts. So you see here part 1 and part 2 are shaded. So this is the correct answer. So this is only 2 by 3. If you see this, this is your 1 by 3 and this is also, this is not equally divided first of all. If they will divide equally, then only we will see. And this is also, there are 4 total parts. So only one option is correct, which is your 2 by 3 children. Okay, that is your option number A. So like this, you have to solve the question of fractions, which is very easy and you can do very easy manner. Okay, there are some tough questions which we will see in the level 2. Okay, thank you. Learn at home, घर पे सीखो. Have a great day. Good day. Bye.